Welcome to projectbazaar.com. Here we are going to see the consumer behavior analysis using machine learning. The data set in the form of reviews, ratings and comments. After that we have analyzed the data based on mode of user's command. We have to employ the visualization and vectorize the data using natural language processing, and finally machine learning algorithm. In machine learning algorithm we have used classification such as Navi's bias and logistic regression. Finally we have to visualize the data. After that the experimental result shows that higher precision, recall and F1 score. The method is proved to be effective with high accuracy on commands. Now we are going to see the flow of the process. First, load the dataset. The datasets in the form of reviews, ratings and commands. After that we have to pre-processing the data. In this step we have to find the missing null values and non-values, and also display the number of null values and non-values are occurred. After pre-processing we have to vectorize the data using natural processing language. In natural processing language we have to find stop words and count word vectorization. After vectorization the data we have to classify the data using Navi's bias and logistic regression algorithm. In this algorithm we have to find the performance analysis. The final result shows that accuracy, F1 score, precision and recall. Okay, this is our output area. Our data set like this, based on name, categories, keys, manufacturers, reviews and etc. This is our data set. After pre-processing the data sets like this. Here review ratings and the index 0, it indicates 5. It means if any null values and display the number of null values count. And we have to split the train and test portions. This is our train part. It separates the sentiments and summary claims, and also test part. We have to two portions like train and test. Here we are seeing is pre-processing the set. It display the number of null values count. After that this is our Navi's base results. The accuracy is 0.936 and it display the precision, recall and F1 measures. Like this the accuracy of the logistic regression. After our pie graph is displayed. This is based on sentiment of positive and negative. And bar graph is displayed based on Navi's bias and logistic regression accuracy. After ROC curve we have displayed the accuracy results in the form of graph.